Hi, my name is Rajan Sethi and I'm from Delhi. So basically I work with Cipla, and as a part of my job I'm required to travel all the time. Way back in January this year I was required to get my LASIK done, and that's the time when I came to Akash Hospital and I got in touch with Dr. Prashaant and Dr. Vidya, who were very supportive. And at that point of time I had never gotten my eye checkup done, and they had told me that probably it can be a case of progressive eye, your number can increase progressively. So they had told me to wait for some time, wait for 6 months. Had I gone to any other hospital, probably they would have told me to get the LASIK done immediately, but they were very patient with me, they were very supportive with me. And after 6 months now, that is in June, I came back to the same hospital, met the same doctors, and they were again very supportive. They answered all my queries. The checkup which was done prior to the LASIK surgery, which I had gotten done now, that was very thorough, with 100% accuracy that there will be no complications after the LASIK surgery is done. This Saturday, that is on 18th of June, I got my LASIK done, and I have my eyes are perfectly fine. I can see everything very sharp, probably an HD vision. Thanks to everyone who was there, who supported me, be it the doctors or be it the nursing staff, be it the entire hospital staff. Everyone was very supportive. Thanks to Akash Healthcare.